Hello everybody, this is the third and final installment of the Yamaha VMAX snowmobile. It's all back together, chain cases assembled, new brake pads, new oil, new bearings. Everything's done, just got the seat back from the upholsterer. Did a pretty good job on that. New track is in it. A bunch of bogey wheels, all new bogey wheel bearings. So that's about it. I had it up on the come along last night and I had it up to 90 miles an hour with no load on it. And it spun great. The track is all adjusted. Really all that we need now is some snow. It's got a brand new windshield on it, but she's ready to go. I greased everything that was able to be greased. And that's it. Next week we're going to start on another project. But the VMAX is done. It's ready to go. And it was quite the project. You know how it is when you get into these things. You don't know exactly what you're going to find. But I had to replace a lot of bearings that I didn't know I was going to have to. But it's all good. It's done now. And this is next week's project. My 2015 Camaro. I'm pretty sure that the fuel pump has taken a crap in it. So that's going to be next week's project. I haven't been able to drive it in about a month. Luckily I have another car, but yeah. I'll keep getting a fuel pump code and I'll clear it and then it'll come back. We're going to try to pressure switch first, see if that does anything, but if not, we're going to be doing the fuel pump in it. And there's a trick to doing that because I am not going to drop it through the bottom and remove the drive shaft and the fuel tank and all that and the exhaust. There's no way I'm doing that. So they make a kit for it that you can pull out the back seat and cut a hole, a small hole, and put an access panel in, and that's what we're going to do. I do run E85 in this car. It gives you a little bit more power. It's a little cheaper, but it seems to like it a lot, but the fuel pump didn't like it, so we're going to be changing that next week. Stay tuned. Have a good night, everybody.